Bella Reina means beautiful queen in Spanish. Our basic philosophy for making people feel better in this very, very stressful world is making you feel good from the inside out.
The girls that work here make it a very special place because we know that they care about their clients.
We have to make sure that whenever we're here, we give them our A game, which is the best.
A year ago, yes, we had a Facebook presence, but did we have people sharing our ideas and things that were going on at the spa on Facebook? No. Now we are able to put something out and we talk about, for example, we talk about a microcurrent facial. We have people coming back going, oh my gosh, what's a microcurrent facial? We do know that we're able to drive 700 new clients through the door in the last 6 months. That's huge.
We've gotten a lot busier. We're now open 7 days because of it.
I have the 2 press releases every month. I also have everything coordinated with the spa. I'm able at any point in time during the day to see, okay, did somebody contact us via Facebook, via Twitter? How's our press release doing? Are there any publicity alerts out that I need to know about? So the ease of having that dashboard with everything in one place makes life just so simple.
We've, been in the Miami Herald. We've been in New York Times.
The New York Times article really started with me answering a Help a Reporter out. That is part of our publicity alerts that we get. So when that article came out, that was like another fact that got us so many impressions on our website and also for the publicity release.
Delray does seem like a small place, but it all of a sudden becomes very big when you know that there are people showing up here because they read an article or something about your spa 2,000 miles away.
Revenue is up 45% over last year, which is huge, especially in the spa world.
This success we've gotten and the feedback we've gotten from clients coming through the door from all over the country, it's been wonderful.
I love the fact that it has given me all the tools I need in one place. I go there once a day, or twice a day, or 5 times a day. It just depends on the day, but everything's there.